This is Elijah McGuff and Mark McGuff.
So y'all,
and we about to blow up Buzz here.
What it do?
Got this other. We got some.
Deal?
These nigga. Okay.
Man, what is wrong with you?
I don't know. Freaking burnt my hand. Ah, that hurts. That really, really hurts. Okay.
Be careful.
I'm careful, you guys. Use my other hand. Okay.
Oh! Well, that probably hit me in my elbow. No, that probably hit me in my elbow.
Ooh, take a look at Buzz, dude. That messed him up right here.
Dang.
Look at his butt. It burnt his butt up. Dang. He's messed up, though. Leave him here to die. Poor Buzz. But this was Elijah McGuff and a Mark McGuff video. So, see you guys.